Guys, and welcome to my 11-month video review of Stash Invest, where I'm going to be taking you guys inside my personal Stash Invest portfolio. So as you guys know, with the whole coronavirus crisis, stocks have been down a ton across the board. The Dow Jones is down over 7,000 points. The S&P 500, as I'm recording this video, is down a ton. So everything's done and sold off. So with this Stash Invest account, unfortunately, guys, I am down pretty big on this account. I was up, if you guys have checked out some of my previous videos, I'd almost hit the $1,000 mark on this portfolio, investing just a tiny bit of money every week, guys. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit about that first. But first, I want to just take you guys on the progress of my portfolio. So right now, my portfolio is down 6%, and I'm down $61. And I currently only hold 5 stocks in this portfolio. So why do I only hold 5 stocks? Well, I simply only hold 5 stocks, guys, because I like investing in companies that I understand, and I just can't understand a portfolio of 100 companies where I don't have the expertise or the knowledge about these different industries and sectors and stuff like this. So I stay focused on what I know, which is technology, finance, stuff like that. So basically, I have 5 stocks in this portfolio. I have Apple, Alphabet, Microsoft, MasterCard, and Adobe, guys. So all of these stocks were doing good until the whole coronavirus crash happened. But the good thing is that I'm in this for the long haul, so I'm actually enjoying buying these stocks at cheaper prices, guys, because that's how you're going to build wealth in the long term. You have to basically buy low and hold as long as these companies are producing products and selling these products and services at higher prices into the future to more customers. That's how you make money in the stock market. So let's get right into it, guys. Let me show you guys how I'm growing this portfolio. And one of the things I love to recommend to all of you guys out there watching my channel, and I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing. So let's get it right into it. The power behind this portfolio is automating your investing. So it's called Auto Stash. So why do I talk about automating your portfolio? Well, you don't want to have to keep remembering to put money in every week and stuff like that, and then life comes up and you have kids and school and work. No, guys. So with Stash Invest, you can simply automate it. So all you have to do is choose the amount of money you want to invest every week, and poof, it happens for you auto magically. Crazy stuff, right? Anyway, so what I've done is I'm only investing $5 a week, but because I've been so consistent with this portfolio and because I have basically gotten out of the way of it, I've been able to save $560 on Auto Stash in just this small account, guys. So this account isn't even $1,000, very tiny account that I have, but because I've been consistent with it, I've been able to grow it. So even though the stocks are down, I've been able to buy some of these stocks at cheaper prices, and some of the stocks that I actually thought about adding to this portfolio, guys. So with this portfolio, I actually have a rule where I'm never going to invest in more than 5 companies, because I simply like to focus my money when it's in a small account like this. So guys, some of the stocks that I do like right now, I think Amazon and Tesla are 2 excellent companies. And be sure you guys check out my previous video on Tesla stock, where I talk about a weekly analysis. I think Tesla at $500 is a steal, but I digress, guys. So basically, this update is I love Stash Invest. It's very cheap. It only costs you $1 a month to use. And a lot of you guys that you don't have a lot of money to invest, this is the way that you can invest in a company like Amazon. Let's say you don't have $2,000 to buy a share of Amazon. You don't have about $1,000 to buy a share of Alphabet. Maybe you don't have a couple $100 to buy a share of Apple. You can build a position over time using this app, using dollar cost averaging and fractional shares. Well, by dollar cost averaging, you guys are new to my channel, you do what I do. I'm adding $5 a week. It's not a lot of money, but because I'm buying consistently, so when the stock is cheaper, I'm getting more shares. When the stock's more expensive, I'm getting fewer shares, guys. Big tip there. And then the second thing that I was talking about is that I'm simply automating everything. So I'm automating everything, and the money's going into the account automatically, guys. So this is also another thing I like about Stash Invest, is that it is kind of like a little emergency fund if you think about it. But I don't like selling stocks. The only time I sell stocks is when I bought something that I had no business buying, like buying Dunkin' Donuts stock. I don't know what I was thinking there. So anyway, guys, I digress. So I just want to wrap this video up on how much I like Stash Invest. I think it's a great app for beginners. For some of you guys out there that want to buy some stocks, all you have to do is simply sign up for the app. You get $20 free if you sign up using my referral link, guys. Big tip there. So you get started, you already have some money in your account, and then you can buy fractional shares. So for instance, let's say you want to buy Amazon stock, but you don't have $2,000. Hey, you can buy $5 worth, and you can just buy $5 of Amazon stock every week. Since we got 52 weeks in a year, it will take you approximately 10 years if you have $5 a week. Which, some of you guys out there, I know you guys making a lot of money. Some of you guys out there making 6 figures and beyond. So maybe you can put in 50 bucks, 100 bucks a week, and slowly build a position over time. And the most powerful thing about a thing like Stash Invest is that I've been reading a lot of you guys' testimonials and stuff like that. Some of you guys have been saving more money than you ever saved ever using this app. So if you guys are struggling out there to save money to buy stocks, this is like the perfect marriage. You've got stocks and savings all bundled in one, guys. Phenomenal stuff. So that's it to wrap up this video, guys. Be sure to smash that subscribe button, and I'm gonna have some more videos for you guys out there. I want you guys to stay safe out there. I don't want you to worry about the coronavirus crisis. I want you guys to think the next 5 to 10 years ahead. I want you guys to be building wealth for the future, for your kids, your grandkids, all the people that are coming before you guys. So don't be worried about the coronavirus crisis when it comes to the stock market. Don't get scared out of the market. That's very important, guys. Remember that American companies will continue to produce more products to more customers at higher prices in the long run. So just stay invested, and obviously you don't want to buy, stocks like cruise stocks or airline stocks, stuff like that. But as long as you're buying quality, guys, and these are 5 quality companies. So looking at Apple, Alphabet, Microsoft, MasterCard, Adobe, this is quality all over the way, so you really can't go wrong. So that's it, guys. Please, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. And until next time, take care.